Big up, big up.
He's such a good soul.
Nice meeting you.
Man, I watch YouTube every day, you know.
Watch every day.
Every day, respect, man. Respect.
Not about America. No, not about America.
Not about America.
No, not about America. Everything Jamaica.
It's a Kino. Many people want to meet you.
I know.
Canada.
I know a lot.
My niece, she's a teacher.
Yeah.
And I said to her, you know Kino? She said, who? I said, Kino, come on.
Me no know if you no watch it and see in a Dubai how it flood out. House, everything, car.
So you say call, they buy one
That's
cloud.
what them do.
And they put the cloud and the
Them
cloud
are trying
get
to
two combos.
create something. I know me, say.
Meticulous work.
I don't
Yeah. Hey guys, you know what? I'm gonna buy a piece of cloud, bring come a trench one for the dream team. You know, so that was cool.
Well, now you have a buy specific man about one cloud, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, no one none.
But me no
I'm
say
not
for
a
real.
star.
Yeah. Buy stars.
Buy stars. I put them name and say, oh, that star there is Hero Star.
Yes, that star.
I pay the money. So wait, so who you pay for that?
People them a scammer, man. Hold on.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Dream team, one team. Blessed love to all. Blessed love to all. You know the thing goes already, guys. You know the journey have to continue. You know it goes already. So today we're gonna do the flashing of chef the outside of the bathroom, you know, and that will complete the outside work. So all we have to focus on next is the inside work. So guys, we thank you so much for supporting this project and this program. You know, we thank each and everyone that put a thumbs up. I want to thank each and everyone that subscribed to Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, guys, so you know we love the work, you know, the good deed that we're doing, you know, the good have to get done, you know, continue the good work. So we thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. And that's what I said before, Trenchtown is a place that peace and love, and sometimes it's got its ups and it's down, you know, but whenever there's peace, whenever there's love, the place is a vibe, the place is nice, you know. As you can see, look how the place is at this time at the morning, quiet, no one on the street, dead. You probably can count the person where you see 1, 2, 1 across the road and 1 there. No more you cannot see when you come on to this time. We just a talk, you just come out the block like your any market set go, you know. So we're there here putting in the work, you know the thing goes already. So we want to get some granite sand so we can start the graniting. Now guys, and I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are watching from, you know. Thank you so much for supporting this program, you know. It means the work to continue to fuel this engine, you know. Talpi, so the sun is boiling.
Wow. Sun very hot.
Very hot. Oh, natural. Yeah. Yeah? What is it? 9 can't hold. Yeah, we can't hold for
Oh, I see where the youth they come from.
Just a kid from Jamaica with electrifying dreams.
As a yard, man. The man is a youth in a Kino, just a kid from Jamaica. Boy,
I come back for cheese and two.
3 sand. Yeah. 3 sand, 2 granite and 2 cement. Alright guys, so we're loading up, so we have to take little by little because look at the car low. So we cannot take too many. So we want 1 yard of sand, but we have to take it in the bag because the truck is gonna take a while to come and we're gonna need it now. So that's what we're gonna do. You know, take it little by little in bags, you know, and then come back. How much was? Take out them and put them here, so.
Start with them
And we have
You can? Yeah. You start with them thing there? Yeah. Sorry, read me alone.
Yeah, we need that upper separate. Boy, you know.
that's how we are left them. Yes,
That's all them, man.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, thing.
Right, This is about the same place.
Yeah.
Work. Come on, what am I doing?
Morning, actually.
Over there.
Oh, morning, like. Yeah, I have 5 years and now you should tell us.
It's a fool.
Don't long time. Long time on the man.
Oh, me I do so.
Yeah, go work again. Respect Ali. Alright, so guys, so we're gonna go back to get the rest. Just get a hand from we'll get a hand from one. Yeah. The boss come around. So we get a one hand. So we're gonna go back to get the rest. We'll put in this like
Yeah, come over to feel
and next 2 more cement and get the granite sand. Watch if the money drop. $100, whoa, rich. Play me. I hate that.
Yeah, I'm not too bad. I'm going to trust. The last time I got over there, that's how we got there. Come on, I'm there now. Rosa, give me some drama over there. Rosa, can't get 2 shovel work here from you? Just 2 shovel. Alright, 1 shovel. See shovel here. Alright, right first to come. What listen.
You have towel.
can't buy that.
The same of towing.
Oh yeah, I'm carrying that drum. You need that ball? Go ahead. Go that drum, you know. Carry that drum.
Oh, chef.
You never know. Yeah.
Catch shot.
Yeah.
We're gonna need more, we're gonna need more water than this.
You want water, man?
Oh.
Pick up.
Yeah.
Two bags on there, dog.
Oh, cement?
Use first.
You're not tough.
No, I'm sure that's fine.
Try for it.
Yeah,
You're not gonna reach. Reach and better. You can't too rich, you know. You can't too rich, you know. You see that? You can't, that's the way you can't too rich, you know. That's stuck on too fast and sit and sit properly and look good.
yeah, man, chicken egg, man.
You see like what it's saying, right? You can't make it rich. And when you time cold and rain stuff, they make it rich. Yeah. So it go.
Oh, so now enough for too rich.
No, you can't too rich, so hot.
Okay.
You can't from water.
Where you get what from?
So water here?
Yesterday already?
Yeah. Oh, should have more water.
Alright. Check the scene there.
Easy.
I just smell so good, Mother Teresa. I feel win and 50 minutes and I'm still. Yo, I want some piece of bowl to put a roll on some.
Alright. Piece of bowl.
Catch the remainder of that.
Alright guys, so today we're gonna do the flashing of outside. You know, we're gonna get the flashing done outside, you know, we're gonna flash off the all of this. You know, so whenever it rains it don't soak inside and everything. So we're gonna seal off all of this today. You know. Quick flashing. You know, flash this right off today. So this is the plan today. We're gonna flash this off quick and fast. You know. Banner. So for the top, up on your top right hand corner.
Oh, yeah, man.
A little piece of edge there, so.
Don't worry about the edge. Don't worry about the edge. No, knock it in, man. Dump it in. Dump it in. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright. Good. There's nothing impression there, sir. Good.
Yeah, so that.
And my boy just stand left it, you know.
Yeah. Him say leave it there, so I started.
Yeah, man. It's alright, sir.
So, oh, Chef Window, gone in. Oh, Chef, lock up your bathroom in there now. Woo!
You get 2 pants and put long and put that in the
Yeah.
Right.
Bubble up.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, man. That's so good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cool on the water, come on. The water, not so water on. Cool on the water, because the water hot.
Hot. So when you're flashing, you have to make sure so the wall is cool. Yeah. Yeah.
What am I doing?
Keep him on it. Alright, come on with
So I keep the water from the runner.
Alright, so you have the water, it's supposed to burn right, bro.
Yeah.
The water soak, you know.
Oh.
And you shut the left and the back stage.
Yes, Monty have it. Monty say learn. Monty say no have it, man.
Natural. You never take the trade to Joe.
Oh.
I remember my aunt young money. My brother, my son. Want cement in there?
Want cement? Alright.
Want cement in there? Cement.
Let's stand up.
Go to show them out.
Off on the sun.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna rush to go see a guest now, but the timing, you know, I couldn't get no chance to go and meet her because of the ups and downs. So I'm gonna rush to go see her now before she leaves, because she's leaving tomorrow. So you can see her off, you know, because I never get a chance to go and see her. So stay tuned. I'm going up by New Kingston side, you know, to go meet her quick and fast. Alright guys, so I'm here now, you know, here to meet the guests here at the Spanish Court Hotel, you know. Spanish Court Hotel, you know, Spanish Hotel. Hello.
It's an old girl.
Hell.
And following you from COVID.
From COVID.
Nice to meet you. My name is Elaine.
From Elaine. Turn this way. Guys, welcome. We have Elaine here.
From Canada.
From Canada. Thank you so much for being watching me.
To meet you. You and Dee and Esther, and then we could go out and have a lunch, but
yeah, timing.
I know you're busy. But I'm coming back. I'm going to keep in touch with you.
Yeah.
And is Dee?
She's alright. She's in Portland.
She's back here in Jamaica?
Yeah.
I thought she was still in Grand Cayman.
Oh no, she came back and she's in Portland now.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I was leaving tomorrow, my daughter is here, but she's upstairs. She has to go to work.
Okay.
So that's why we're leaving now. So
oh, too
tomorrow,
bad.
yes, I know.
Where's she? She ain't coming to say hi?
We went out. We went by halfway through. We were waiting for you, and then someone came.
Yeah.
And dropped us there, and then we went to Emancipation Park.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we walk it back, so she's beat.
Oh,
but
she's
I
beat.
brought a little something for you.
Big up.
He's such a good soul.
Nice meeting you.
Man, I watch YouTube every day, you know.
Watch every day.
Every day. Respect, man. Respect.
Not about America. No, not about America.
Not about America.
I don't know about America. Everything Jamaica.
Yes, Kino. You know many people want to meet you.
I know.
Canada. You know, supposed to come from.
girl, she gone home.
No, she's here.
Yes, you might go with things. It's all not allowed.
Oh, the two of you are going with the show.
Can't take it.
Yeah. Yeah, them are go out with things, boy. Yeah, man, thank you so much for watching, man. Thank you so much for watching.
Camera on, you know.
First time last year.
Last year? Yeah, you're on the dip on it now.
Oh, damn.
On the dip on it now, man. Right on time. For real. You know, right on time.
Always doing so much.
Yeah.
And you know what touches me during COVID and after COVID? Yes. That lady that wanted the wheelchair.
Yeah, Miss Gracie.
And she couldn't, you know, he got her one and it never fit. And I said, I'm coming to Jamaica, I have to meet her.
Yeah.
Yo, for real.
Thank you so much, man. It means so much, you know. It goes there.
Me, you do a good job, man.
Yeah, man, you know, think about it. Try.
So where do Kino? Come in.
Charity, we help out less fortunate.
Get your number, make them get it.
Every time you watch you, I see you want
Yeah.
reach out.
Yeah. Which one, the US?
Yeah.
Atlanta. Okay.
You see,
Need to visit Atlanta as well. Yeah.
No, say straight up there.
I need to visit them side as well too.
And Canada.
And Canada too. Yeah, it's on the list.
Yeah, please. Number 1.
Wait, so not when it's cold?
No.
Yeah, man.
You have to take your own life.
You want to come on. Well, no, it get hot too, you know.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
hot
oh,
now.
yes,
Well,
no.
hotter than even here. The
Yeah?
humidity.
Wow. So there's no sense I visit them.
Well, depends, but if you want to see the snow.
Yeah, I'll come in the snow.
Jamaica.
Is it New Jersey? You know?
Ontario.
And Canada.
Brampton, Ontario.
They used to that bite you when you just reach it,
When I get used to 50 years.
No, I'm saying when you just come in the heat, they just bite you.
Like a machine.
Yes.
Like
What a
like
thousand,
So I see everywhere, even $50 sometimes.
Yeah, man. Watch it.
Yeah, man, I appreciate that, man, every time, man.
I'm glad you recognize it.
Yeah, man.
No, we send about. You can't come to me. I'm saying.
He watch it every day.
All day, every day.
Yeah.
I'm retired.
Okay.
Film job of
Watch everything while I go on. See you are the big man himself. Yeah, man. So you make them know about me then.
And this one, it's one of them.
me make him dip on it.
Okay.
Dress it all on the man.
All of us.
Christmas list, Jamaica.
The whole entourage. Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
And last week you were building a house. It's finished?
No, it's not finished as yet. Wow, chef. So I wow, chef.
Yeah, we still the one with a bill one for this man.
Wow, chef.
No,
I remember with him in the homeless.
So which part of Jamaica?
All the top Prince.
Yeah.
Kino? Which part of Jamaica are you from?
Trenchtown.
But you still live there?
No, I'm not live there.
That's why I ask them type of question because to me know how the Razmite them stay in the island here.
Yeah.
You understand them still like say, do a thing. Them never have problem, brother. Them not try to solve nothing or billion, you know. Or help walk the road where you walk, you know. Them find problem with you.
Yeah, true. Enter here do good. You know that's how life is. Whenever you do good, you know the negative energy have to come try to disrupt it. You know?
It's Winston now. Spinner. Yo, we have your number now, man. Jamaica. Anytime we have come here, man.
No, it's in the making. It's in the making. You know, it was Airbnb in Ouchi that was, you know. But you was saying I was running a joke, say here's my Airbnb. So
yes, I saw
everyone was taking and calling me, said they were ready to book it. So I'm like, okay.
You know, the people want to come.
Of course. Yeah.
I'll try to show you. So, yo, as simple as it, you make kind of get up on it. You watch and I say, yo, I forgot Jamaica.
Yes, true. A lot of them said that as well too, said to get the urge. Definitely, man. I appreciate, you know, every time, you know. I appreciate, you know, every time, you know. Winston, big up. Yeah, man.
So, you know, we have big up Winston from Atlanta.
Of course, because we're there now with Winston from Atlanta. We're there with the whole family now. Hello, so you have to start tuning to Wake Up. I mind it for a while ago.
Yes, we are going. I'm happy.
Yeah,
So
man,
how
it's
you
not
coming?
So everybody leaving tomorrow.
yeah, them leaving. Alright then. Yeah, man, take care, yeah? Take care. Alright then. Take care, yeah? Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Alright,
Tell
big
him
up.
your name. You told him your name.
No, when you Wangs are Richard.
Yeah.
Name still, but when you Jamaica name Wangs.
Yeah, well, we meet at Spanish Court Hotel, so it cannot miss.
Spanish Court.
Yes.
So the Atlanta people
we meet at,
from Spanish Court.
yeah, we meet at Spanish Court, so it can't miss.
Now reach out Kino, man.
Alright then, give thanks, yeah? Alright. Yes. The pool area, the bar part is open?
I think we have to come this way.
Yeah. I've been there already with Oliver and Carla.
Oh, I'm on the second floor.
Oh.
Kino, I tell you, I'm like a mother. I said to myself, I'm like a mother to Kino far away. I said, Kino is doing things for so much people.
Yes.
And I said, the government cannot come in and assist or, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we always say that, but boy, well, probably the government had do film job and me have to do my job.
You're playing your part.
Yes, playing my part.
Your mother came and your daughter.
The whole family.
My sister, she lives in the States and she was to come on this trip.
Yeah.
But she's not there. She has pneumonia.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Yes, but guess what?
Sorry to hear that.
The reason why I'm here, my stepmom celebrated 100th birthday.
Okay.
We were here having lunch today, my daughter and I. But she's Canadian born, you know.
Okay, too bad she's tired.
Yeah, she's tired because we walked from Emancipation Park.
Too bad she could be there to say aye.
Yeah, mother. We waited today.
Yeah, man, and I thank you so much.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
And take care of your dear self.
Yes, thank you so much. I will see you soon again.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Alright then, bye. Alright guys, so yes, it was nice meeting our Elaine, you know. I will thank her so much for our blessings, you know. Thank her so much as well too, you know. So she's a lovely lady, you know, very kind-hearted. She's been watching me from COVID time, you know, and I know a lot of the viewers them as well too been watching me from those times as well to the COVID times. I will thank them so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. So now I'm going to head back down into Churchtown, you know, for the work that's going on with the members then down there putting in some work. So it was a wonderful time here chilling out, you know. So we thank you guys so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. So let's head back down to Churchtown. That is it.
Kino,
Hey,
if you have money, you buy a cloud.
Cloud?
Yeah.
Which cloud? No?
So now if you have money, you buy a star.
Buy a star?
Yeah.
No?
Kino, people don't buy a star.
Which star? That star there?
No, me I'm talking. Oh, that's what actually people buy a star, brother. Look research, people buy a star. When people go and sit, me I'm talking about in our ear.
In our space?
Yeah, people buy a star. You don't know that cause?
No?
So you don't know them thing there. Hold on. People buy a star. star, man. Me tell you something makes sense.
Them are some pregnant. Can you go on? I'm gonna buy clothes. I'm gonna tell you something.
Put a name for it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy clothes.
Name after them.
But tell me where my clothes from?
Yeah, the star is named after them.
Oh.
So you know them thing there?
No, man.
Common sense.
I want to know who buy the clothes from.
Are the government?
We don't buy about no clothes.
No, man. No government.
Buy stars.
In a Dubai.
Guys, you ever hear that before?
In a
Do
Dubai.
you ever buy stars or clothes?
Yeah, man, people buy stars.
Kino,
Really like it.
listen up.
Why is that hot topic this evening, brother? No, man.
You know about the cloud? What? The cloud where you say?
Yeah, the white cloth. Dubai. Dubai do it. That's why they Dubai put out in a fiction.
Yeah. And then buy cloud.
Them are trying to buy clothes, so they want to keep them place cool.
Oh.
Alright.
You see?
The first man.
So that's why them what they, me don't know if you know watch it and see in a Dubai how it flood out. House, everything, car.
So you say, call them buy one
That's
clothes.
what them do.
And then put the clothes and the
Them are
clothes
trying
get
to
two
create
combos.
something. I know me say.
Meticulous work.
I don't
This man. Meticulous.
Yeah. Hey guys, you know what? I'm gonna buy a piece of cloth. Bring come a trench on for the dream team. You know, so we always cool.
Well, you ever buy this on specific man about one cloud, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I want none.
But me no
I'm
say
not
for real.
star.
Yeah. Buy stars.
Buy stars. I put them name and say, oh, that star there
It's my name
is
on
Hero
it.
Star.
Yes, that star.
I pay the money. So wait, so who you pay for that?
People them a scammer, man. They all buy air. People sell air at China, you know. Jesus Christ, that should even know. People sell air.
That's calm
Air in
yourself.
God? Where's God? God, please
Listen,
come.
the only star I know of.
Yeah.
People walk all of fame. It's Hollywood, California.
Move stars.
Yes, star, movie star. When they put a star, we walk up all of fame. I don't know more stars.
But here, but that's more than scamming because me and you can see a star and say, yo, that star that's my star.
But you have to go right up literally and get your name assigned to that.
Natural. Listen, natural. Man, ride the bicycle with the paper, a star mark on it.
Yeah. Star Angelina. And the man I buy cloud. Yo. Guys, you ever hear about that before? Buying stars and buying cloud. Wow. Cloud. I cloud. Listen, natural. But all the cloud, but I know people buy. I cloud.
You never see cloud drop from sky.
No.
May I watch my phone? That means I tell you, them will show you somewhere in
And cloud a drop.
one piece of cloth drop. You see it?
Alright.
So that are the thing where sometimes things may sound impossible, but things is impossible. And that's the way you have to understand. Maybe we have it as a joke, and when we see it's not literally me.
But technology I do something want to trick the eyes them still, you know.
Yes, no. That's why I'm not sure say them are telling you to Dubai.
Yeah.
To go and like through them after money. Them are do some impossible things. And that make it rain when them get what they.
Yeah.
Half of Dubai they flood out too.
So me not have no rain to bet you.
Cause the only cloud we me know about is iCloud music. You know, iCloud music. You can download music from iCloud, guys. Remember?
You never know nothing about that one table.
Yeah, yes, iCloud music. iCloud music. Remember, you have iCloud music where you can download music from iCloud.
Nothing like that.
Yeah. So, guys, so this is what's going on here. Everything is stars and cloud right now on that work here. So we have prefect over here cloud and here over here stars. So we have stars and cloud today. Right, and what chef, what you have?
Why the moon, you know?
Moon.
We just come out at night and look on the moon and say, brighty.
Yeah.
Shine up the place and nice. So the man they have stars. The man they have
The moon. From Z. You ask him some question because we never know, sir. Man, go to go buy clown. Buy star. Yes. Star by star.
I don't need that, I don't need When me I tell you what me say.
Jack man get some balls.
Yeah. You know, if you tap in, that is some daylight robbery.
Yeah.
Listen, man.
Remember, it's not me. I tell you when me see.
So we there, so we tell them say, so government so powerful, them own all the stars.
Alright. President mentioned if you want a
That's the thing.
Yeah.
But I was saying, you know, President
Yeah. But the star they even more further. That even them can't reach it in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Much less.
And people are buy it.
Them cannot, you know. Alright, so here, watch right now. Guys, I'm not buying no star. Right now, I'm a thief a star hero.
Yeah.
You see the star, any star we see later on, it named Kino, live in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And the next one decided named Dream Team.
Yeah, we can buy 2 stars.
No, keep that one there. I'm gonna take that one. Yeah.
And me, and when me see me, I tell them.
So wait there. So how they bring the cloud when they move it with? They put in a plane.
It's like I'm not joking. And when me see me, I can't explain the part. You never say that.
Yeah.
And when me I see, come I say, there's no people for buy clothes. Just like what owner say.
Yeah.
And that me I say in my mind, but me still have to buy it.
Yeah.
Because Dubai did flood out, and I tell you the reason. Cars.
But more know, I say buying cloud is one, but more know how them transport it in a one trailer, container, plane, helicopter,
it's a
balloon, bag, a truck.
Ship it, you know.
One say in a one truck.
We are talking.
Yeah. The man say buy it in a truck. In a one truck, them a bring it. Hey, listen. Whoa.
Come and ship it, you know.
Yeah, ship it.
Yeah, come and ship it, you know.
Yeah, where them ship it?
Oh, them ship it now. They can't ship in a container, you know.
Yeah.
Because they ship in a container.
I got
Most of them go.
Oh, this man
ship it now. That.
can't pay. What you say? What them ship it in a? The cloud.
I tell you something when me see.
Yeah, I mean. You really can't do, man. You see now, you can't type the string on the cloud. I mean.
Son, I think the children are born later. 70 years.
You know what I gotta do?
Yeah.
Tie the cloud and pull it.
Something in the ear. Because there's no man and normal sense going to come up with an idea. Because they don't star me know. The star they put on all California for all the stars.
All of fame.
Walk of Fame.
Yeah.
And the star them sell on Gleaner Company. A article you can read. But the best star from the sky is impossible. I'm going to buy a clothes from there.
Nothing is impossible, brother. Don't say it's impossible.
Yeah.
Don't say that.
Hello.
To me and you, it's impossible. Yeah, China, never you say that. Because you will go back against the world. The same person, no. People don't tell everything good.
When my time is like Kate Bunty, you big my car.
I know me working.
Yeah, buy clothes.
I know me. I want to see brother.
The only cloud you can buy is iCloud Music.
How long Dubai flood out? You never know if Dubai flood out today. Then it's like you don't know, do the research and say if it's not.
Do the research because Jamaica will
It's as easy as that. Because it's a clown thing you depend well. I know that. Make it look like a stupidity. Sometimes you have to do things.
Worship have 2 art. Are we to buy one of your art? You get 2 art.
Only have 2 art.
Oh, you have 2 art.
Yeah, man, come on, one small, since we get big, the next one grow. That's why we have 2 art. We have 2 art.
Yeah. 2 art. One on the left and one on the right. Alright, so Worship explain how you have 2 art.
Stop.
So guys, we're not like. Natural, here one, no? Natural, me I sell you a star. You buy, me I sell you a star. No, I'm a star from the sky, me I sell you.
Our 4th parents never reach it, but I know how you going to reach it.
No worry, man. By looking at it. Say if you don't want no sunshine over your house, me I sell a piece of cloud. So.
Alright. I think the man who are the broker field. The broker field, you know.
You want to buy sun?
You can't buy the sun because Mr. China. Kino. The broker who sell the cloud, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you're perfect. One piece of cloud, you know.
I know me, I tell you. Don't get it wrong. Listen against people.
You have to come to you start the conversation. It's him is the broker.
Yeah, one piece of cloud.
Yeah, clown out the system. I was saying to him that me I watch a thing where Dubai I show you say them buy cloud.
Yeah.
Because show Dubai is a hot place.
Yes.
Them buy cloud to keep them place cool. Transpire with them.
Yeah.
Them get 2 hours of rainfall. And actually do
place flood out.
Flood out. Clear everything out. And something when me I watch from my phone and I like me I make up a story they are telling.
Yeah.
And when me I watch. So let me get it clear and tell you now.
Eh?
I know Europe, they buy the cloud.
Ask prefect.
Dubai said buy cloud. But in Europe,
AI never show up.
Yeah.
Anything where they must show up?
No, we're not putting it on that. We're putting it on the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to put it on this.
Guys, look how beautiful this is. Look how this come out. Wow. Wow, chef. Well, natural Latin best. Natural, we're going to buy a star and put on the decoration, yeah? And we're going to buy a cloud on the all stop. I put cloud on the all stop. So, wow, chef, you know what? No AC. We get cloud.
Cloud.
Yeah. No, we can get the cloud on the all stop so the house keep cool.
if on the cloud, but we don't get AC, man, can cloud bring
Exactly. You don't need no AC.
Bring the breeze.
Hi. Yeah, man. I lie still now. Man, look up the idea about buying this cloud thing, you know. Why?
Hey, how much them pay for that though? That more I know.
Why, man?
How much that worth?
Billions of dollars.
Dubai. What that say? Money can't buy.
You think I'm broke, yeah?
Yes, that child just tell us the money can't buy anything. You know what? Yes, the tell us.
No. You get it wrong.
Say no.
I said money can't buy anything. Money can't buy anything. Life.
Why them cannot buy the clothes?
And them sell God Almighty star too. I hope the Almighty watch you go on. God them a sell your star, you know. Almighty, they selling your stars. And them a, Mother Nature, them a sell your cloud. So they must sell Mother Nature cloud and they must sell the Almighty stars. They must get in trouble when judgment day come. And wow, chef say him have two heart.
Yeah, man.
You know?
One is born.
One him born with and one him grow with.
Yeah, grow. Come in. See that? Right.
That's real. But guys, but look at this. Oh, look at this. You know? Look the time that I left and by the time I return, look at this. Look at this. So nice. So you know the window gone in, so the window have to be covered up so the window don't mess up. You know, but look at that. Whoa, you know? I hear some baby are born from cloud. Amen. Is it a cloud 9 Sugar Reach? Sugar Reach cloud 9 baby gonna born. You see me?
Boy, I'm putting on this side of here and choke out that.
You figure Haskell University for students,
Yeah.
Hey, one time I go train store, me have a geography teacher, natural. Me have a geography teacher, them man not believing in nothing named God.
Well, I'm making it look like say them powerful and they are almighty.
Yo, later on me a thief a star. That's all me I do.
Wait till 9
So me I go and spread it from now, guys. See the star will look like it have blue on it. Different color bling it. Me I take that one named Dream Team Star. It have color blinging. And the next cloud where you see over your house top, me buy that. Yeah? So that name Dream Team Cloud too. When I talk about the iCloud music or no SoundCloud music.
More be like Jim Carrey, you know, can join it. So Jim Carrey joined the universe up.
Yeah.
And the fuck move the star, put it some more someone on it. Someone put the cloud in them can join things. So
Yeah.
Jim Carrey.
Yeah.
And just come some well, star for move
Come in. Material. Come in. It sound like Tom Cruise Mission Impossible.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
When I hear it's unbelievable.
Tom Cruise by cloud and star. Yeah, man. Possible, man. I'm gonna sell the son. I try. No more, so I can sell the son.
Can buy a piece of the sun, man. So why? So they not sell the sun. So I'm to the moon. They can't sell the moon. But the sun and the moon is a star too.
Name on the star, you understand?
Eh?
Name on the star, so the star is named.
Okay, so the so the sun have a name already. So who name the sun? Who own that sun then? More buy a lot from the sun. And buy a piece of land from the moon. Here, don't look up here, don't look up. Watch out. Here, move a bit.
So the atmosphere
More stuff. The man them put the cloud in a lorry and pull it. Or them fly it in a plane.
Put the cloud in a ship and put them in the bottom part. And I'm selling some things that look like clothes, like, you know.
Material.
Yeah. Dubai buy clothes, and to Qatar and them clothes today. Same thing in Qatar, man, like Dubai.
If you want to buy clothes, go Dubai.
Yeah, man.
If you want to buy clothes, you have to go Dubai.
Yeah, you can't buy love.
Yeah, you have to buy clothes. You can't buy love, you have to buy clothes down in Dubai. Alright. Them say you can't buy love, you buy clothes down in Dubai.
I know Qatar, you get the star.
Yeah, and they get the star down in Qatar.
I run the conversation, look come on, can I finish it now?
Yeah.
I just started.
If you want the sun, come to Jamaica.
Yeah.
The sun, you see the sun? Can't sell.
So we are,
If you want the sun, you come to Jamaica, but the moon,
yeah.
not the moon, the cloud and the star, them sell more those country, but sell them now. Those country now, sell them. I'm going to go up on the live, you can buy
I mean, come up with it. I will me see me and
Listen, brother. One son, man. You're not? Let's say we country have them son. Oh, son.
The earth have one son.
Yeah.
285 son out here.
285 son out there.
285.
Son.
Yeah?
So much money I got out there now?
How much more? 295.
Yeah, no, Kino, I go down the list to look more.
The man say, how much sun out there? Him say, how much sun out there? Him say, 200.
Every sun for a different planet.
Yeah, he said 285 sun.
And that thing said?
Yeah.
285 son out there.
So you able to buy a cloud or I'm gone?
Better man. Close. One euro. Oh, eh? See the Kino.
Yeah, you able to buy a cloud in Dubai? No one there, no.
They can't buy star.
Can't buy a star? No.
The man say them see it, man. They can't buy clothes and stuff.
Them say can't buy clothes and stuff. Well, everybody ever.
And I mean, I want to see
Yeah. Why you not up on phone, boom, man? Oh, just like that, no. Hey, man, Dubai. Man, some clothes now, something like umbrella.
Yes, guys, so look at this natural did. Wonderful.
Start like a 1, 2, 3 o'clock.
Looking good, looking good, looking good.
Over the city.
Looking good.
I said I cover the place, brother.
Can't show the sun, remember Dubai is a hot country. Them a try to eliminate the hot. So them a try to keep it as a cool country. So the cool
Stuff done.
Them a try cool and go get clothes and buy clothes to do that. It's a rainfall them get. Inoculate the country.
Yeah, right now. I'm not such a long over now.
This is a board.
The board, oh wait there. That's where your food? If you can buy love, you go to Dubai. Go buy a piece of clothes and Yes guys, so it's a wonderful day as you can see, you know, the work that's been put in outside, you know, so this is all the outside work is finished, you know, so the next thing we're gonna be looking to do now is get the toilet, you know, and get some tiles, you know, for the wall shape, you know, tile out and the toilet and everything with fixtures and everything for the bathroom, you know, for the face basin, and that's what we need to get done now, you know, before we move on to bed and TV, you know, so step by step we're getting there, you know, surely grinding slow but we're grinding still, you know, as you look at that, wonderful, looking beautiful. Well done, respect natural. Respect. Job well done, dream team. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah, Claude? Yes. Big up yourself, Hero Star. Yes. Big up yourself, War Chef Art. Yeah, man. And big up Boom. AI. Natural. Article. Talpi. Official. You know? Who else? Mother Teresa says son.
Yeah, keep the thing natural, you know, because I'm not on a story part.
That's why your name Natural. That's why your name is Natural. Yes guys, so remember guys, you reach this far, you're watching, please hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. That is the say, just give the video a like guys. You reach this far, you're watching. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.